So what's up YouTube, this is Vijan Sara back with another video, and this is my Hyundai Santro. As you can see, clean, beautiful, everything cleaned. So yeah, what's happening is this one, I have a actuator, okay, and when I unlock or lock the car, let me show you. So when I unlock this guy is not coming back up fully. You can see that it came halfway. This has to come up all the way up. So I just have to probably open it up and check it out what's going wrong. So here I have removed all the screws. As you can see, one here, one, then I have one more, then I have two more here, and this one. So removing this is actually a tricky part. This is the most trickiest part to remove. As you can see, there is a clip inside somewhere, okay, it's like this clip, okay. We just have to make sure at the right angle you get the clip. So the clip is like this, so it moves when you do this. So this has to come in the right place for the screwdriver to go in and pop this out, and only then this will come out. So let me give it a try, and yeah, let's see.
What's up YouTube? If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and also click on the bell icon so you never miss an update of all my videos.
I don't know how much you guys can see, but you have to put your screwdriver here, and you see, I'm gonna turn around the camera. See that guy right there? You see that guy? That's the one which we have to remove. So when you put your screwdriver, you have to put it in between. I was making a mistake of putting it here. So you have to put it here and then lock it up and then open up. I'll show you, okay? Woo. There you go, it's out. You see this right here? This is the guy, okay. This is a guy which we have to carefully remove. Let me move. There you go, this guy. See here, this is the toughest one, okay, and it sits here in this lock. So this is how you remove the side door. If you don't do this, your Santro's handle will not come out, okay. Yeah, I've done a bit of damage here, but that's all right. This is a very old Santro. This clip is the killer. This is the toughest one. So here you go. I can remove these, put it here, and now there are China. You have to just pry out. Okay, now you gotta be careful. This guy. You have to remove this guy. So in order to remove this, pull the handle. It softly comes out, and then there you go. I'm sorry, I'm doing it with one hand. So yeah, that's the side door removed, and inside you can see it is just like this, a footboard, which is holding everything up. Okay, and this is the side, and this is what opens up the door. Now every car will have this plastic, which is nothing but sort of a sealant, okay, to dampen the sound. But you can see people, when they put the car back, this is how they do it. Okay, now the guy I'm trying to fix is here. The actuator is here. You see this actuator? Okay, let me show you. Let me show you guys. You see that? I just have to probably find out whether this is loose, this part is loose, or what's wrong with this. It's going up and down, so it is definitely doing, the actuator is doing its job. It's just that it's not going all the way down and all the way up. So let's see what I can figure out. So guys, this is the guy, he's the culprit. Let me show you, because this is basically a door lock. Okay, if I lock this, it goes all the way up on the top. You can see the lock, and this is coming halfway. So if I now take manual effort, did you see that? This should come here, but when I do it with the key, the actuator is not able to pull that all the way down. It's stuck. So I do this. All I'm gonna do is use my WD-40 and lube it up. Yep, that's pretty much it. Now let's see if it does or not. See, it did the job. It did it. So yeah, that's done. I'm just gonna redo the plastic part and get it up with it, and I have to also work out the other side of the door. Yay! So guys, I thought I'll show you the mechanism right here. Okay, this is how the mechanism is. So your lock is like this. Okay, like this. So basically the way it works is this plastic thing is like this. So when you have your window opener like this is where you have to pry like this. You have to open it up, and you should be able to see the other end. Even if you don't see the other end, just keep rotating. You will definitely see this edge. Okay, this edge right here. So normally that is why it's like it keeps pushing it. Okay, so I have made one mistake here, which I'm gonna do. So you see this guy right here, this pin will be seen, and when you open this and you pry your screwdriver, you should be able to see it. Now what I did is I kind of tightened this up, so this pin has gone inside. You see right here, this should be actually out like this, so that my screwdriver can pry. So I'm gonna do that and bring it back to its original position, so I can open it up next time. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I wanted to show you. So yeah guys, I wanted to show you what's the problem in my second door. Sorry for the camera, but if you can see, the screw is loose. So when I press the button to lock or unlock, do you see that wire there? Here, it goes inside. That means it's loose. If you can see that wire is loose, I mean that rod is loose. That is why the actuator is actually not doing anything. I just gotta figure out a way how I can put my hands inside, or what do I need to remove in order to fix this. So yeah, might just take some time, but yeah, I should be able to figure it out and my issues will be fixed. During the lockdown, you had a lot of time. I also ended up fixing this. As you can see, the plastic was completely up. It was rolled up, so when you are getting any work done, please make sure you are there, and or else, you know, the worker might just wrap it up, and as you can see all that somebody just screwed up. Okay, I looked at every aspect and made sure everything is perfect. Now remember, this is like a sticky stuff, so the moment you try to stick, you know, put the plastic back, it will stick. Okay, I'm not gonna do much here, but this is where you can actually put thin heat on, and all that sound coming from outside will stop. All the dampening, this is how dampening is done. Instead of this sheet, they will probably get some heat on or some kind of a muffling material which will dampen the sound. Okay, so if anybody is looking for dampening the sound, yeah, maybe just remove this off, cut the size, and make sure all the bolts and nuts, screw size, whatever has to go, is perfectly open. And it should be thin. You don't put like this thick, 1 centimeter. Just make sure it is very thin. Okay, and yeah, it would do the job. So I hope you liked this video. So if this is the first time you're watching my video, please go ahead and do subscribe to my channel, and please like this video, especially this video, because it took some effort to do this. And please do help me out, please do support me, and this is the right time. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel and share my videos as much as possible. I have another also video, you can check it out, for Santro, where the AC is you know, the blower works on number 2 and number 3 but not on number 1, so we have to change a resistor, and you can save a lot of money by watching my DIYs. So thank you very much once again. Have a nice day ahead. Take care. Bye bye. See ya. I'll fix all this up and make it look good. Bye bye.